In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Base44 watermark from your project in just a few quick steps. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get right into it. First, go to the project where your Base44 watermark is showing. Once you're inside the project, look for the dashboard and click on it to open your main project controls. From there, go into settings. This is where you can manage different options for your project, including branding and display preferences. In the settings menu, find the option labeled Platform Badge. This is the setting that controls the Base44 watermark or badge on your project. Once you locate it, turn it off to remove the watermark. Keep in mind that this option requires a paid builder plan or higher, so if you're using a free plan, you may need to upgrade before you can disable it. After switching it off, the Base44 watermark should no longer appear on your project. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.